Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka, and the bulletin today starts with Samsung's Ballie robot to launch in 2025 with enhanced features. Apple faces AI challenges with iOS 18 update. Itel A80 launched in India, affordable smartphone with 120Hz display. We have CCI, which enhances focus on AI, tech sectors for fair competition. Microsoft large action model set new AI benchmark. Then we have Nothing OS 3.0 update now rolling out for phone 2A Plus. And at last, we have Halliday, which unveils revolutionary AI smart glasses at CES 2025. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you who invented www. The answer is Tim Berners-Lee. It's time for our daily tech quiz. As today's question, what is the full form of LAN? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Samsung's Ballie, first showcased at CES 2020, is set to launch in this year in US, as revealed at CES 2025. This rolling home robot now includes a projector capable of streaming content onto various surfaces. Demonstration highlighted its versatility, such as projecting movies, controlling smart home devices via voice command, and offering personalized recommendations. Unique features include foot press, virtual interaction for tasks like selecting wine pairing. Equipped with camera, sensor, and built-in speaker, Ballie can adapt to projections by analyzing room configuration. Samsung aims to rival similar offering like Amazon's Astro Robot, which remains invite-only, and LG's conceptual home robots. As home automation evolves, Ballie positions itself as a multifunctional companion for smart living. Pricing and release dates are yet to be disclosed. Then we have Apple's iOS 18 upgrade featuring AI-powered tools which has run into issues. Particularly with its notification summary feature, users report inaccuracies and errors in the tool designed for iPhone and Macs. While Apple has been curious about entering into AI space, these glitches highlight the challenges of integrating AI reliability. Experts warn of this broader implication of AI misinformation if such issues persist. Apple is urged to pause and refine the problematic feature before further rollout. This setback mirrors similar problems which are faced by Google and Microsoft, emphasizing the industry's struggle to ensure accuracy in AI systems. Despite the hiccup, Apple's commitment to innovation remains evident, and it hopes for swift resolution. We have Itel, a transition holdings brand which has launched Itel A80 smartphone in India, targeting entry-level buyers. Priced at Rs 6,999, the device features a 6.67-inch punch-hole display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. It is powered by Unisoc T603 processor, and Intel A80 comes with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, along with an additional virtual RAM option of up to 4GB. It runs on Android 14 Go edition, ensuring a streamlined and user-friendly experience. The phone boasts a 50MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera for photography. Backed by a 5000 mAh battery, the A80 includes a 10-watt charger in the box. It is available in sandstone black, glacier white, and wave color options. With premium features at an affordable price, the Intel A80 aims to deliver exceptional value to budget-conscious consumers. Now we have the Competition Commission of India (CCI), which is ramping up efforts to ensure fair competition in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Chairperson Ravneet Kaur emphasized the need for a proactive regulatory approach to address challenges in AI and digital markets. Recent amendments to the Competition Act introduced mechanisms like settlement, commitment, and deal value thresholds. The CCI also plans to hire domain experts in AI and digital analytics to strengthen enforcement. Additionally, the regulator is conducting studies on AI and renewable energy across BRICS nations. These steps aim to balance oversight with market-friendly regulation while keeping pace and technological advancements. Then we have Microsoft, which has unveiled large action models, a groundbreaking AI that can operate Windows program and perform real-world tasks. Unlike traditional large language models focused on text generation, LAMs execute user instructions such as creating and formatting PowerPoint presentation. These AI systems dynamically adapt to feedback, merging intent understanding with actionable steps. Built using task plan and task action data, LAMs undergo advanced training methods like reinforcement and learning before deployment. Initially integrated into Microsoft Office products, LAMs signify a shift towards action-oriented AI with potential application in the automating workflows and assisting individuals with disabilities. As AI progresses, lamps could become standard across industries. We have Nothing, which has released the stable update of Android 15 based Nothing OS 3.0 for the phone 2A Plus. The update introduces a revamped lock screen customization page, new clock faces, and an AI-powered smart drawer for better app organization. Enhanced multitasking features include a pop-up view that users can resize and pin. Redesigned quick setting and widget library further elevate user experience. Other updates include AI-powered app prioritization, improved charging status, and partial screen sharing for app-specific recordings. The rollout is staggered, with some users experiencing temporary overheating and higher power optimization. The update also aims to offer a redefined and connected smartphone experience. At last, we have Halliday, which has introduced groundbreaking AI smart glasses at CES 2025, featuring the innovative Digi-Window technology that projects images directly into users' eye without using a lens. Designed by Stanford engineers, the eyewear uses world's smallest near-eye display module, seamlessly integrating into a 3.5-inch virtual screen into the upper right corner of the user's field of vision. Unlike traditional smart glasses, Halliday's technology avoids issues like rainbow pattern and light leakage, offering superior outdoor visibility and discreet usage. The glasses, available in matte black and tortoise shell, accommodate prescription lenses while blending retro design with cutting-edge functionality. Equipped with a microphone and controlled via a sleek trackpad ring or voice command, Halliday's proactive AI agent delivers real-time insights without privacy concern, as no camera is included. These glasses set a new standard for wearable technology, empowering users with style, discretion, and enhanced capabilities. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.